So this is like the kinda the
Better
pilot of Blook Tube, and what we're gonna do is play some fucking Krunker and then kill us 3 million times. That's what's gonna go on, isn't it? Let's go. Let's do it.
I'm gonna die a lot too.
Who's gonna die more though? That's the question.
I am.
Good question. Probably still me.
And come slaughter you. Oh, there goes.
Yeah,
there goes Earth's killing. With that fat 50 points right there. Holy shit.
Oh shit! No! No!
There I go, with 50.
Ours killed me.
Oh, now I don't feel bad for him. I got vengeance.
Yeah.
Bro, what was that? What was that?
I killed ours too. Haha.
I just lagged everywhere. I've got some advice for you.
Yeah.
My advice for you is get good.
Good idea.
No, it's always.
Oh,
Hello.
Oh,
I was
how
low.
did I miss that?
Well done, ours.
What is the
I would support you if this was
I'm
different.
still confused about what Squoctopus actually is and what's like its motives. What is the motives of a Squoctopus?
Suffering.
Suffering, is that it? Just
It
suffer.
feels bad about the suffering.
Extermination. Extermination should
Its
be.
existence is pain, and it feels like rubbish because of its
Bro,
existence.
nice.
So it wants to cause that pain to something else. Therefore, it reproduces. Just chill.
Therefore, it what?
It's suffering.
Hugo, your internet is genuinely like shit. Your internet's like from the 1900s.
Infect.
We're not,
Infect.
we're
No.
not doing infect, no. Suffer.
In your dreams, ours. Free for all.
Sad.
It's not even called free for all, it's just Blook kills everyone.
Ah!
Bro, that was ages away. That was like a light year away. Right. You guys want to
Most of
suffer?
the damage.
If you guys want to suffer, then sure. I can do shotgun too.
Yeah, I killed ours.
Yeah, good. Kill him.
No. Ah!
Oh my god, my aim. My aim nearly killed me there. Oh, interesting. Interesting lag. Whoa.
Oi! Why are you flying?
Shotgun gun. That was quite sick actually.
That's if it works. Everybody uses their secondary.
Well, you do when the shotgun's quite like it's not very accurate. Like sometimes it will kill people in one shot.
Sometimes it won't even deal damage.
Bro, you on one
I have to
health.
go.
There.
I have to go AFK, but BRB.
You have to go AFK. Interesting. You're recording, you can't just go AFK, twat. You didn't even unmute himself, so there's gonna be like the Hoover in the background. For God's sake.
Oh shoot, I have the Hoover in the background.
Oh, it's you.
Let's just miss on Hugo. Hugo! Turn off the Hoover!
Turn off the Hugo!
Hugo, turn off the Hoover, you fucking twat!
Oh no. So, I think it's the first to 5,000 points, I think. So, this could last a while. Oh god.
Oh, I have 35 ping. How much ping does this game mode have?
I mean, I've got 11 now. Oh, apparently not, because I'm glitching everywhere.
I have 24.
Alright, I think what you're gonna like about this mode is all damage done is permanent damage. So like, if you
Not if you massacre me every 5 seconds. End my life.
you'll suffer like the rest. You'll suffer like the rest.
Ah!
That was nearly an earth scream. Nearly. Not quite, but nearly.
My rings.
Hugo's still got his Hoover on. For God's sake, Hugo. Hugo with his
Acceptable.
damn Hoover. With his damn Hoover. Hugo. Hoover.
Unacceptable! You have solved off! Solved off is illegal!
How is it illegal?
Ah! Well, I guess I'm stuck here.
No?
Ah! How did I miss that?
Oh, it's such a bad, like, trying to get around me.
HUGO'S Hoover is incoming to my room.
I'm back.
Great timing! What timing? That's great timing.
HUGO'S Hoover is here! Ah!
It's coming for us all!
What is going on?
HUGO'S Hoover is upon us now! Hoover!
Right, as we get it, Hoover, bottom text. We get the joke. We get the funny. We understood the funniers.
I didn't get the funny.
Bro, Hoover, why is there a child in your house with the coronavirus? Bro.
It's
Unacceptable.
Just get in the video.
Bro, you're gonna get us demonetized!
Whoa!